So given the weather, I'm on my own. There's a distinct lack of volunteer help today, but I'm going to soldier on because I just wanted to. This bank is kind of taking shape this year, and I just wanted to add to it. It got some quite a nice little mixture of flowers and things going on up there. I was rather pleased with how these grasses are looking, which I stopped from the new hop plantation the other week, and I've decided to grab a few more. So I have a wheelbarrow full of tufts, which I'm going to distribute around on the bank up there. And then I'll see what else happens, see how the weather takes me. Well, I've planted up that barrow load of grasses and transplanted some comfrey from elsewhere and sort of filling in the gaps. I think I'm kind of liking the way it's looking. I might just go and get another barrow full of grasses and just put them along the front here, just behind these logs, and just fill in a few gaps. Because I want this to be really full up this year. I really want this bank to be just green, not a patch of soil to be seen. That's what I'm after. I don't often have plans for things like this, but this year this bank is going to be just totally green, I think, with the flowers, of course. And I might just sort of chuck a few extra seeds into on top to just to try and see what else we can get growing. So, with another batch of grass in place along the front here, I think that's looking rather nice now, coming up to my green expectation. Yeah, rather pleased with how that's looking. Not bad for a couple of hours of work on a rather grim afternoon. Yes, see you again next week, I guess.